Email marketing involves sending advertising messages to a large number of clients. It is often used to create sales through the distribution of promotional offers, the nurturing of leads, or the expansion of the reach of content marketing activities. Email Octopus is an email marketing tool that provides an extensive array of email marketing templates, allowing users to construct campaigns that are responsive to any device in minutes. Users have the ability to build drip email sequences, import contacts, integrate with forms, and generate customized reports. With Email Octopus segmentation, users can create highly targeted email campaigns based on the customer data that is most important to their business. Email Octopus lets you send emails and create pop-ups on your website for collecting customer information and engagement without having to code anything yourself. By sharing the most read content with new subscribers, organizations can keep their audience engaged with their blog or create a welcome series to introduce new customers with a tempting discount to increase sales conversion and revenue for their e-commerce stores. Watch this video to the end, and you will discover the promised benefits and how to effectively use this email marketing tool to increase your customer management and conversion rate without much hassle. Kindly like this video, leave a comment, share with friends, and also ensure to hit the subscribe button as we continue with this Email Octopus review. Also, make sure to check the description below for the best price, discounts, free tools, and free trial packages on Email Octopus. What does Email Octopus really do? Businesses can launch and manage personalized email campaigns using customizable templates and the drag-and-drop editor. Moreover, you can also schedule time-based onboarding and drip sequence campaigns for sending welcome emails or sharing newsletters and offers. Email Octopus can connect to over 2,000 platforms and services via Zapier, including MailChimp, Salesforce, Shopify, Eventbrite, SurveyMonkey, Gravity Forms, Ticketailor, and more. Pricing is based on the number of subscribers, and support is available via an online help desk, email, and live chat. Email Octopus provides users with real-time, in-depth data on campaign performance, with each click and open tracked alongside the bounces and unsubscribes. It uses insights and data to separate your list into target audiences, personalize your emails, and automate campaigns. It also allows you to import previous subscribers and create excellent landing pages to attract new subscribers. Data segmentation and campaign reporting help tailor messages and analyze performance. Email Octopus is GDPR compliant, offers a developer API, and provides excellent support. Benefits and key features of Email Octopus. 1. User-friendly email creation. With Email Octopus's drag-and-drop editor and pre-built templates, you can easily create professional-looking emails without any coding knowledge. 2. Automation made easy. Email Octopus offers basic automation features for welcome emails and drip campaigns, allowing you to set up automated emails to go out immediately or at specific times. 3. Customizable landing pages. Create landing pages effortlessly with Email Octopus's drag-and-drop editor and pre-designed templates. Add titles, images, videos, and more to create engaging and visually appealing landing pages. 4. Seamless integration and data management. Email Octopus allows you to integrate with various apps and platforms, making it easy to manage your contacts and share data. 5. Subscription forms that increase conversions. Email Octopus helps you grab the attention of visitors to your site through subscription forms. With Email Octopus, you can create embedded forms that sit inside a page or blog post. With these embedded forms, you can create a relevant call to action (CTA) button to increase conversions. 6. Email Octopus integration. Email Octopus also integrates with plugins such as Mail Opt-in and Opt-in Monster, so you can add other form types to your WordPress site, such as pop-ups or slide-in forms. This can then be used for email automation, creating new campaigns, and much more. 7. Reports and analysis. In the Email Octopus dashboard, you can track every bounce, click, and unsubscribe. Rich reports on all of your email campaigns make it simple to see what's working and what isn't, assisting in informing future email marketing decisions. Email Octopus pricing and plans. The free starter plan, available for all users, enables the sending of campaigns to a maximum of 2,500 subscribers. The paid Pro plan offers pricing based on the number of subscribers, which can range from 500 to unlimited. In addition, it also offers full control over your email design, reports that are available forever at any time, unlimited landing pages and forms, and the ability to add unlimited users. All the plans operate on a month-to-month basis, allowing users the flexibility to cancel at any time. How to use Email Octopus. Email Octopus, with a Better Genius score, is a simple platform for organizations. Users of the platform save more than 60% on email marketing costs. Furthermore, the website includes a savings calculator that may show you how much money you can save by switching to it. Email Octopus also provides a beginner's guide. For example, you will be aware of what to do and what to avoid when it comes to email marketing. Also, users can access Email Octopus on a desktop or mobile phone. The platform has templates for different industries to meet the needs of all businesses. Once you have opened an account with Email Octopus, choose your favorite email template to create professional content. Pros: high-quality email templates, list management and segmentation, analytics and reporting, ease of integration into multiple channels, direct integrations with Shopify and other popular platforms, easy-to-use interface for beginners, excellent customer support. Cons: it's only the paid Pro plan that offers unlimited subscribers and users. Email Octopus customer support. Email Octopus has live chat support that is highly responsive. The company also offers email support. Click the Get on Touch button and choose the email option. Type your email address and message. The support team will get back to you on time. Email Octopus customer support is reportedly excellent. You won't experience robots, automated responses, or lengthy delays. Instead, you get support from real humans via email, a help desk, a 24/7 live rep, online chat, and an extensive knowledge base. Conclusion: Email Octopus is a robust email marketing software that has proven to be effective in satisfying its users' comprehensive email marketing and customer lifecycle marketing needs. It offers smart integrations to personalize communication, optimize open rates, and improve email channel ROI. Users found it easy to establish email campaigns and add subscribers, making it an excellent lead generation tool. Email Octopus presents an opportunity to elevate your business through seamless and cost-effective email marketing. With its powerful features and user-friendly interface, mastering email campaigns becomes effortless. Besides, it has pre-designed templates that you can customize to fit your business needs. Email Octopus is ready to work with you to achieve marketing success. Take advantage of its capabilities to streamline your email marketing efforts and propel your business to new heights with ease. You can check the link in the description below to sign up for free trials and get access to premium tools that will help improve your experience with Email Octopus. If you enjoyed this Email Octopus review, kindly like this video, leave a comment, share with friends, and also ensure to hit the subscribe button for future reviews.